Hi dear students, how are you? Fine? Good. How about your studies? Did you study with your own self? Great. So how about your homeworks? And do you do them? Great. So try to study your studies with your own selves and work on your own self. And it is a perfect time that you can use from this time. And also enjoy from your studying, enjoy from your being with your families. Okay, let's jump on our today's lesson. Our today's lesson, it is season of 9 and page 36 up to 40. The first thing that we want to study for it is unit 3 about Islam, the early spread of Islam. It is about this unit, and page 36 here. Pay attention. Here is the map that how Islam religion spread all over these countries. The early spread of Islam. Look at the map. Go and look the map. Answer these questions. What does the green color on the map mean? In which directions did Islam spread? Can you name some Islamic countries? What is the difference between Hijri dates, it means AH, and Gregorian dates, it means AD. Gregorian dates, it means AD. So, here was about description about your unit, and here is the passage page 37. Page 37, here is the description, a passage, and you should read with yourself. The hard words are here, and you can take help from that, and I'm gonna to help you with the reading of this passage. So, pay attention. Reading. The early spread of Islam. Since the time that God's, it means Allah's, words were written down in the Holy Quran, the Islamic message of peace has spread all over the world. When the message of Islam was first taken beyond the Arabian Peninsula in peace, the enemies of Islam and their armies tried to stop its spread. As the Muslims advanced to the north, they were met by soldiers of the Roman Empire. In 634 AD, the Muslims captured Damascus from them. Soon afterwards, they took Jerusalem from them. Soon afterward, they took Jerusalem. They finally defeated the Romans in 636. In the east, the Muslims had to fight the Persian army. It took them only 20 years to introduce Islam there. From 715 AD, Islam began to spread into Turkey. By 717, it has reached the borders of Europe. In North Africa, the Muslims had to fight against Roman soldiers again. Again, they were successful by 642 AD. Northern Egypt was controlled by the Muslims. The last Roman army on the continent was defeated near Carthage in 667. Soon Arabic replaced Latin along the Mediterranean coast to the Atlantic Ocean. The countries that we call Algeria and Al-Maghrib, Morocco, today they were joined from 670. From there, the Muslim crossed by sea into Spain in 711. By 714, that country and Portugal were both ruled by the Muslims. In France, they advanced as far as Tours. in 732. These were the passage that you should read with your own self once again in your home. And here are the sentences that they need for true and false. Try to put in here for true sentences T, and for false sentences if. And here are the guides. Listen. True and false. Are the following sentences true or false? First, find answer in the reading passage, then write the line number. Finally, write T or if in the box. Write the number of line in here too. And this is your homework. Do it carefully. So, jump on to the next page, yeah? Page 38. Page 38, here is a word study, and here are the words that I bring them out for you that you can take help from these words. So, against, what does it mean? Against. Against is a preposition like, at, in, from, over, and etc. Football teams play against each other. You can put a ladder against a wall in order to climb it. Coast. The coast is the land at the edge of the sea, and Iceland has a coast around it. The Pacific coast is located in the United States. Name some famous coasts in the world. Can you name? If you can, try to name them for your own selves. Continent. A large area of land. There are 6 continents in the world: Africa, Asia, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, America. Okay, say where each continent is the map. Here is the map, and try to name all these continents. Far. What does mean far? Far is more used in question see A below. It means the part A below, and negatives C, part C in below. Then in positive sentences, C, B below. And then if you want to check for positive sentences, try to check part B. Okay, here is the part A. When it says CA, it means see this part. CB, see this part. C, part C, and C this one. So, part A. How far is it from this town to that town? It is a long way. It is a long way. No, it isn't. It isn't far. It isn't far. Note the comparative and superlative forms of far are further and furthest. Further and furthest. So the next word is ocean. Ocean, it means bahr. And far. Far, it means dur. Not daur. Dur. It means a big distance. Okay, ocean. A very large sea, the biggest ocean in the Pacific, the one between Europe and America, is Atlantic. The Arctic is in the far north. The Antarctica is in the far south. The Indian Ocean is the one nearest to Afghanistan. Can you name the famous oceans in the world? Can you name them? If you can, it is perfect. Permanently. Permanently, it means مداوم، دوامدار، مسلسل یا به طور مکرر تکراری. Permanent. When we have permanent, when we have permanently in here in this page, the first one is permanently and the second one is permanent. Permanently is adverb and permanent is adjective. Okay, permanently. For a long time, for all time, if you are in a place permanently. You are there for a long time or perhaps for all your life. Are you going to be at school permanently, or will you leave and get a job? Permanent. I am staying in Mazar Sharif for a month, but my permanent home is in Kabul. When someone goes for sightseeing and staying in a hotel, is the hotel his permanent home? Successful. Successful is adjective. Successful is adjective. Successful person is someone that does well. Successful, it means muwaffaq. Successful, muwaffaq. Our team was successful. We won the tournament. Success, it is noun. Success, it is noun. It means muwaffaqiyat. Which other adjectives are formed from the noun plus full? Noun plus full. Which others form the negative with an? With an. These are the adjectives, these are the roles that we can make adjective by them. For example, pen. Pen is a noun. When we pen, it means dart, hard. When we use full in this, painful, it means dardnak. By this full, we can make an adjective. Painful, dardnak. And also an. With an also we can make an adjective, and that is negative adjective. For example, successful we have, unsuccessful, it means shikas. It is negative, what? Negative adjective. So jump onto the next word. What is that? Yeah. We wish you success with your answers. Unsuccessful. An unsuccessful person is someone that does poorly. Our team was unsuccessful. We lost the tournament, unfortunately. Okay, try to do not think about unsuccessful. Try to think all the time that you're successful. And undoubtedly, all you're successful. Just work hard, and when there is trying, there is flying. It means when you try, you can fly, and nothing is impossible. So, page 39. Here is the word study blank spaces, and you should complete them. Here is the blank spaces. Here are the words. Try to put these words in these blank spaces. And it is your homework. Try to do it with your own self, and you can take help from your family from this movie. And also page 40. Yeah, page 40. Also we have in here the blank spaces. Try to complete them. In this part we have the words that some letters are remain. Try to put the letters in these words and make them complete and meaningful words. This was your homework, and this was our today's lesson. Thanks a bundle from your nice attention. Be victory. Have a nice time. Bye bye.